Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made this cute and simple grad cap design. It literally takes no time at all. I did this the night for my grad pictures because I was procrastinating. So if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. And also, congratulations to all the Spring 22 graduates. Comment down below if you just recently graduated from either high school or college. So for my grad cap, I didn't want to go with anything too crazy because as you can see in my graduation pictures, I wore a green outfit with a pink stole for my sorority colors. Also, if you want to know a place where to get your graduation stole, I recommend where I got mine at Shop NYTM on Instagram. What you're going to need for the base of the cap is at least 2 different colors of glitter paper and also decor to go on top of the cap. And everything I got was from Hobby Lobby. Kind of got a little bit of everything because I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with my grad cap, but I kind of had a general idea of how I wanted it to look. And items you'll definitely need is a hot glue gun, scissors, or an X-Acto knife, a ruler, and a pencil. So the first thing you're gonna do is trace the outline of your grad cap, and when you're tracing the outline of your grad cap, make sure to leave extra space, especially if you only have 1 or 2 pieces of paper, because if you mess up, you might have to go all the way back to the store, and we don't have time for that. Once you get that initial outline of your grad cap, you're gonna cut out 2 squares of the first color that you're going with, and then 2 squares of the second color that you're gonna use. And on all 4 squares, cut out a half circle on the edge of the squares to leave room for that little ball in the center of the grad cap. And all 4 of the squares should fit together like a puzzle piece, like this. And once you make sure that all of the squares fit in your grad cap like so, then you can just go ahead and start gluing down the squares to your cap. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. So for the outline of the grad cap, I'm gonna outline my cap in a strip of pearls instead of that fur boa that I bought. And here's a quick little secret. If you're cutting out anything like jewels or pearls or even letters to put on your grad cap to make things so much easier, instead of pulling everything off the plastic, I just kept everything on the plastic and basically just cut around. I was really struggling to figure out what I wanted my grad cap to say, but I ended up going with When Beauty Meets Brains because my line name for the sorority I'm in, Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, is Naturalistic Beauty, and I'm a psychology major, so that's where I got the beauty and then the brains part. And then I decided to add a mirror and then a grad cap above the mirror, so it's like looking at myself in the mirror. And then at the bottom I put SFA 22. SFA is a college I graduated from. And here's how I look when I glued everything down, but then I still felt like something was missing, so I eventually just added extra pearls to the outline. And look how it came out so cute. And for your grad caps, feel free to add more decoration as you please. And if you guys end up making any grad cap designs, make sure to tag me because I really want to see how they end up coming out. That's all I have, and thank y'all for watching. Bye!